Hello dear Telangana aspirants, welcome back to the specially designed model paper series part 6 for the Telangana aspirants, especially for the Telangana Pharmacist examination. You know already, every model paper will be having 20 most expected MCQs which have prepared from the previous year papers because we have made analysis. Okay, because we are for you to make your preparation very easy. Okay, so just listen the classes and follow the YouTube channel, that is GD's English classes. You will be benefited with good results. Okay, yes. So let us start today's video. So part 6 or the model paper 6. The first question of this model paper 6 is, so Vital Morris test is used for the identification of which alkaloid? Vital Morris test is to identify the which alkaloid. Okay, which alkaloid? Option A indole, B purine, C pyrazoline, and D tropane. Yes, if you know about Vital Morris test, okay, you can easily answer this question. Okay, which of the following alkaloids tested by the Vital Morris test? Yes, please, if you know the answer, comment under the comment section. Okay, so the right answer is undoubtedly, it is for the tropane alkaloids. Am I right? Yes, it is for the tropane alkaloids, dear aspirant. Yes, Vital Morris test is for the tropane alkaloids. You can see. So Vital Morris test is for the tropane alkaloids, and whereas Thalocone test is for the quinine alkaloids, that is for cinchona. Myrrh test is for the caffeine, that is purine alkaloids. Okay, and bond test is for the anthraquinoglycosides, and also fluorescent test is also for the quinine alkaloids. So try to remember these tests; they are very important because for some chemical constants, for some secondary metabolites, there are some specific named reactions or named identifications are there. So try to remember them because these are the most expected questions from the point of chemical test. Okay. So beta and test is for the propane alkaloids. Okay. So belladonna, datura, all these are can be tested by the beta and test. So the answer is the beta test is for the propane alkaloids, for the identification of propane alkaloids. Okay, next question of this series. The type of alkaloid which is found in Naxomica is, okay, which type of alkaloid is found in Naxomica? So they are asking, Naxomica comes under which type of alkaloid, whether it is propane alkaloid or quinol alkaloid or isoquinol alkaloid or D indole alkaloid. What is the alkaloid? Comment down your answer. I was waiting. Okay. Yes, let us see the right answer. Yes, I know it is an indole alkaloid. Naxomic considered the indole alkaloid. So these are the some examples for the different types of alkaloids based on their chemical structure. Okay. So classification of alkaloids based on the heterocyclic ring system. Yes. Pyridine and pyridine. Example is areca, lobelia, and tobacco. For the tropane alkaloids, yes, belladonna, coca, dubocia, datura, hyoscyamus, and ammonium. Whereas for the quinoline, Campotheca, cinchona, and isoquinol alkaloids are curate, durahaldi, ipecac, and opium. But our answer, the indole alkaloid, is Naxomica. The Naxomica comes under the indole alkaloids. Okay, so these are also another important heterocyclic ring containing or the chemical. What are the classification of the alkaloids based on the heterocyclic ring system? Next one. Next question. This next other classification. So these are the other example for the alkaloids. Imidazole ring, imidazole alkaloids are pilocarpus, purine or coca, coffee, cola, steroidal or ashwagandha, veratrum, dietericin or iconite, alkalamine or colchicine and epidra, and lastly quinazolone is osaka. Okay, the next question of this series. Eucalyptus oil is mainly used for. What is the use of eucalyptus oil? Option A, it relieves the cough and bronchitis. B, antihelminthic and carminative. C, flowering agent and carminative. And D, anti-cancer and wormicide. So what is the answer? Please, if you know the answer, just comment under the comment section. Okay. Yes. So what is the right answer here? Option A, it relieves the cough as well as bronchitis. So eucalyptus oil is a eucalyptus leaves. Okay, used in the treatment of lung disease, sore throat, and cold, and vapor bath for the asthma. Okay, vapor bath for the asthma. So that's it. So reducing the bronchitis as well as the treatment of asthma. Next question. Which of the following is the true about resins? So what is the true statement of the resin? First one is the oxygenated product of terpene and carboxylic acid, and B usually formed in cytogenous and lysogenous cavities, and they are transparent and semi-solid and liquid substance, and D all of these. Okay, so try to think twice. Okay, if any two statements are correct, if any two options are correct, then only this option like all of these is also correct. Okay, so then only you'll go for this option. If any two statements, more than one statement is correct, then you go for the this option. Yes, option, because the oleoresin or the resins are transparent semi-solid compounds. Yes, and they are also present in lysogenous and cytogenous ducts of the cavities. Clear? Yes. So that all of these options are right, because you can see the properties of the definition of the resin. The resins are amorphous products of the complex chemical nature, but these are transparent and translucent solids and semi-solid liquid substances, and mostly they are the oxygenated products of the terpene, the first statement. Okay, and they are also present in the cytogenous and cytolysogenous. Clear? So that's about the resins, because all of the above is right answer. Next question. Papain is obtained from, papain is an enzyme. Okay, friend, from testes and semen of mammals, human saliva, C, intestine of sheep, and D, juice of unripened fruits of carica papaya. See, the beauty of pharmacognosy is the chemical constant's name is very near or similar to that of the species name, so that you can see it is the chemical constant name papaya. Okay, and whereas the juice of unripened fruits of the carica papaya, papain or papaya, you can see. Okay, the right answer is option D, undoubtedly, because carica papaya, and papain is an enzyme obtained from the carica papaya. Okay, so the synonyms are papayotin, vegetable pepsin. Okay, the botanical source of this one or biological source is, it is a proteolytic enzyme which is obtained from the latex and of the unripened fruit of tree of carica papaya, the papaya fruit. Okay, member family Caricaceae, member family Caricaceae. Yes, the chemical constants are present in proteolytic enzymes like papain. Okay, papain, chymopapain, and papain. These are the proteolytic enzymes present in the carica papaya. So that papain is a chemical constant of papaya or the carica papaya. Next question. Example for the pharmaceutical aid. So which of the following is a pharmaceutical aid? Either cavalin or Diascorea, Datura, Diastase. You can directly eliminate the three options from here this question, because Diastase is a leaf, Datura is also a leaf, and Diascorea deltoid, yam, wild yam, diosinin. Okay, so undoubtedly, what is the right answer here? Option A is correct, because these are all are, this is a tuber, this is a leaf, this is a leaf. But this is not cavalin is a pharmaceutical aid, because this is an essential use, is a vital pharmaceutical aid. The rest of all are leaves. Okay, rest of all are leaves. They are having different pharmacological action. They are xenin. Okay, it's used as a precursor. It is used as a precursor for the steroidal drugs. And datura, it is an parasympatholytic with anticholinergic properties, but as distal is cardiotonic drug. That's it. Next question of this series. Which of the following is called as an Indian gum? Either agar, tragacanth, or gorgum or acacia. So what is the right option here? Which one is called as Indian gum? Agar, tragacanth, gorgum or acacia. Okay, what is the right answer? Comment down under the comment section. So let me know how many CS aspirants are there. Let me check the right answer. Yes, Acacia is known to be Indian gum because the synonym of these carbohydrate containing drugs are agar is known as agar agar, vegetable gelatin, and Japanese isinglass, and tricacanth is gum tricacanth, whereas agar guar gum is jaguar gum and gram flour. But whereas Acacia is only known as Indian gum. So these are the different drugs: colophony, tricacanth, guar gum, and as well as Acacia. Okay, right answer is Acacia is known as Indian gum. Do remember the synonyms. Next question. Diastase takes part in the digestion of which one? So diastase in enzyme takes place in the digestion of which one? Option A protein, B starch, C amino acid and D fat. What is the right option here? What is the right option? Let me know in the comment section. Yes, option B starch. Okay, so this diastase is an enzyme also known as amylase enzyme. So this is a very important enzyme. But the source it is obtained, it is one of the important amylolytic enzyme present in the salivary diastase of Thailand and pancreatic diastase of amylospen. Amylospen found in the digestive tract of animals is also known as animal digestase. Okay, animal digestase. Clear? So in this all the digestive tract, this amylase enzyme is there. It is an amylolytic enzyme, that is amylase. Yes, this is used as a digestant and used in the production of pre-digested starchy foods. So that's it. Okay, diastase and enzyme amylase. Clear? Yes. Next question. Acacia arabica obtained from. So Acacia arabica is obtained from. Yes, Acacia. Just now we have seen. Either it is a dried latex, or from the gummy exudation, or from the dried leaves, or from the half-ripe fruit. So what is the option here? What's your right answer? Let me know. Okay, we'll see. It's a gummy exudation. The Acacia arabica is an gummy exudation, dried gummy exudation from the Acacia arabica. But synonyms are Indian gum. Just now we have seen Indian gum is a synonym for Acacia. Belong to the family Leguminaceae. Do remember the family also. Okay. And this contains the chemical compounds like arabin. Okay. And also arabic acid also there. Clear? Arabin and arabic acid. That's it. Next question. To which family does the squill plant belong? So what is the family for squill? We are having Indian squill and European squill. But what is the family for the squill in generally? Either Solanaceae, Rosaceae, Liliaceae and Lamiaceae. What is the family for this one? Let me know in the comment section. Okay? Yes. Option C, Liliaceae. That is the synonym of this plant is sea onion or Zangali playas. Sea onion or Zangali playas. And also other name for this, the Indian squill is known as Arginia indica. Arginia indica is for the Indian squill, but Arginia martium is for the European squill. They are belong to family Liliaceae. Family Liliaceae. Clear? So this is an sea onion or Arginia indica. Okay? Yes. Next question. So, ashwagandha is obtained from which part of the plant? Yes, ashwagandha, Withania somnifera, Withanolides, Withanin is a chief consonant. But ashwagandha is obtained from either from the leaf or fruits or dried roots or seeds. Okay, as comment your answer. Ashwagandha is obtained from, yes, which part of the plant? Obtained from the which part of the plant? Yes, it is obtained from the dried roots. Withania somnifera, Withanolides, Ashwagandha, aphrodisiac, okay, and also immunomodulator, and also anti-cancer. So many uses for this ashwagandha. Okay, that's the reason. Okay, it is known for the superfood. Coming to that, dry roots. It comes from the dried roots. Next question. Yes, you can see the witness. The synonym of this plant is Withania root or winter cherry. Do remember winter cherry. And the source is it is obtained from the Withania somnifera, from the roots and the stem bases. Right? This is a Withania somnifera. Stem basis of Withania somnifera family. Solanaceae. Solanaceae. Yes, it is an sedative, hypnotic, mood stabilizer, and immunomodulating agent as well as aphrodisiac. Clear? So these are all are the uses and the synonym as well as source of the Withania somnifera, that is ashwagandha. Next question. Silk belongs to which family? Yes, the silk belong to which family? Option A, Bovidae, B, Cannabinaceae, C, Bomycidae, and D, Tiliaceae. Tiliaceae. What is the right option, my dear aspirants? I said so many times in the previous model paper videos also, according to the pharmacognosy, the family as well as the source as well as chemical constants and other things are very important. Okay, so let us see. Option C, Bombycidae. Bombycidae is the right answer. You can see here The source is obtained. These are the fibers obtained from the Bombyx mori and other species of Bombyx, and as well as Antheria species, Bombyx mori and Bombycidae. Okay, silk. So Bombyx mori species is a Bombyx mori species, and other Bombyx species also can produce a silk. Okay, but they are belong to the family Bombycidae. Okay, that's it. Next one. Surgical catgut are the example for. Surgical catguts are the example for, because surgical catguts, they are prepared from the mucous membrane of the intestines of sheep as well as ox. Okay, so that you need to understand surgical catguts are the example for which of the following: either non-absorbable sutures, metallic sutures, absorbable sutures, or none of the above. I gave you a hint that these are prepared from the mucous membrane of the intestine of the ox as well as sheep, so that you can choose the right answer. I know the right answer, but I will give the right answer. Yes, absorbable sutures, because you can see the examples. They are absorbable because they will break down and easily absorbed by the body over time. So that is example: surgical catgut, sterile, reconstituted collagen suture. Okay, these are absorbable. Okay, example is the absorbable is surgical catgut, and non-absorbable like silk, cotton. Okay, and other linen sutures, and as well as polyester sutures, nylon, terylene. Okay, nylon, terylene, sterile braided suture, and stainless and cellulose sutures also used in the stitches as well as in the injuries. Okay, and also hemostatics like oxidized cellulose and as well as absorbable gelatin sponge. But the right answer is here surgical catgut is an absorbable one. Clear? Next question. The herbal formulation which undergoes the fermentation during preparation. Yes, which of the following herbal formulation will undergo for the fermentation? What is that one? Either Laha or Lehya, B. Gutika, C. Ashava or Gritha, D. Gritha. Okay, which of the following undergoes for the fermentation? Yes, and also I'll give you another question. Maybe the question can also be like, so which of the following herbal formulation can have self-generated alcohol? Okay, which of the following herbal preparation or Ayurvedic preparation is having self-generated alcohol? Clear? So the answer is Ashava, because these formulation will undergo for the fermentation to get this self-generating alcohol, and that alcohol acts as a preservative. Okay, asavas or the alcoholic preparation. Try to remember from this asava point of view. You can get so many questions. What is the alcoholic preparation in the herbal formulations, and also in the what are the self-generating alcoholic preparations, and also what are the preparations or the formulations will undergo for the fermentation. For all this question, one answer asavas and aristas, because they are alcoholic preparations as well as they are subjected for the fermentation. Clear? And next one. So this is an example for that question. This is the explanation. Asavas and aristas. You can see in the aristas are made by soaking the drugs in the either in the powder form or in the form of decoction or in the solution. Okay, so these are the preparations. Okay, the drug is soaked in either sugar or jaggery in a specified period of time. So during that time, they'll undergo for the fermentation, and they generate the alcohol. That's what I said, thus facilitating the extraction of the active principles contained in the drug. Examples are Vasakasava, Punarnasava for the aristas, Ashokarista and Dasmolarista. Clear? So these are alcoholic preparations where the drug is suspended in the sugar or jaggery for a specific period of time. In that time, they generate the alcohol, and where the active extraction has attained. So that's it. Next question. Following are the example for various aromatic plants except. So, in this, one plant is not a volatile drug. So, that's the asking there. That's what they are asking. Which of the following is not a volatile containing drug? Which of the following is not a volatile drug or aromatic plant? So, undoubtedly, tulsi is also aromatic, mentha aromatic, and lavender is also aromatic. But whereas liquorice is, Glyceriza glabra is an right answer, which means this is not a volatile containing drug, because all these are aloe vera, Aromatic plants are aloe vera. Okay, there's uh, Rosa damascene, Marcia, Chamomile, Lasson inermis, Mentha pipera. All these are aromatic plants, but whereas glycerin is a glabra liquorices and anti-diabetic drug as well as okay, what you can say, that's also used in the as used as a bronchodilator. Clear? Yes. Next question of the series. Colchicine used to treat. Colchicine is used to treat. What is use of colchicine? Colchicine alternate either for the gout or high blood pressure or for the C diabetes and for D arthritis. What is the right answer for the colchicine? I mean to say, what is the use of colchicine? Post your answer. Let me know the right answer also. Okay, let us see. It is used in the treatment of gout. The colchicine is mainly used in the treatment of gout and also anti-cancer property. And yes, do remember the colchicine is the only thing, only natural polyploidy agent which can induce a polyploidy. Okay, so it is one of the important and natural polyploidy agent. Clear? So that it is used in the horticulture. It induces the polyploidy to increase the number of chromosomes. That's the reason it is used in the horticulture. That's it. Next question of this series. Which of the following is a purine alkaloid? Yes, we have seen the classification in the previous slides, in the initial slides. Okay, in that, which of the following drugs or which of the following alkaloids contain purine nuclease, either caffeine or papain or morphine or codeine? Okay, tell me the right answer. Yes, do remember for the purine alkaloids are okay. Myrrh test is carried out. Myrrh test. Do remember the test also. Okay, this test is confirmed for the caffeinated products or caffeine. Clear? So, think right answer. Which of the following is a purine alkaloid? Caffeine is the right answer. You can see these are all the classification we have already came across. Okay, in this purine alkaloid examples are tea, coffee, cola, and coca. Tea, coffee, and cola and coca are the options. So please do go. Okay, do remember these sources and their chemical classification regarding their chemical structure. That's a very important. Next, the cochineal is used as a brilliant red dye which is obtained from which insects? Because the cochineal, the red dye obtained from which following the insects? Either female insects or male insects or lac insects or mollusk insects. This is a proof that we do get the drugs from the animal source as well as insects. So what is the right answer? Let me check. It is obtained from the female insects. So this is known as coccus or red scale insect, the synonym of this cochineal. And it is this cochineal consists of dried, fully grown female insects enclosing the young larvae of Coccus cacti from the family Coccidae, order Hemipetra. And yes, this is a brilliant red dye. The synonym of this plant is brilliant red dye. Clear? So it is a female insect. And next one is this a plant, it's a insect that we are preparing the red dye. Next one, it is an which of the following is a cardiac glycoside containing a crude drug belonging to the family Apocynaceae family? Okay. So what is the right answer this one? Simple. They are asking cardiac glycoside. Which of the following is cardiac glycoside? There are two cardiac glycosides. One is Strophanthus as well as Diastase. So which one of the from these which one of the following drug is a Apocynaceae family? Okay. Let us see. Strophanthus is belong to the Apocynaceae family. Okay, so because you can see squill is a Liliaceae family, Diastase is also a cardiac glycoside, but it belongs to the family of Scrophulariaceae. But whereas Strophanthus is Apocynaceae as well as Thibet is also Apocynaceae. These are all are having cardiac glycoside properties. Clear? Yes. Last question of this series, my dear aspirants, get ready. So, which of the following is an oleogum resin obtained from the stem of Commiphora? Commiphora mole. What is the source of Commiphora mole? Okay, what is the source of Commiphora mole? What is the source of Commiphora mole, my dear aspirants? Option A ginger, B asafoetida, and C myrrh and D camphor. Commiphora mole is the source for the which of the following is a oleogum resin? The answer is option C myrrh, that is Commiphora mole. These are the important classification, okay, of the oleogum resin or the resins classification. Oleo resins are example ginger, Canada balsam. Gum resins are gambos and ammonicum, whereas glycoresins are zelap and hypomia, but whereas oleogum resin is myrrh. This is our answer. Okay, myrrh, Google and associated are, but whereas balsam of resin are balsam of tolu as well as storax. And this is our right answer. Myrrh is a oleogum resin belong to family Commiphora. So Myrrh, gum Myrrh, and sources it is an oleogum resin obtained from the Commiphora mollified family Burseraceae. Yes, dear aspirant, this is for today's model paper series. I hope you enjoyed and understand the video. For more such content, do subscribe and share this channel to your friends. And also, okay, please watch all the videos because they have prepared according to your needs and to ace your preparation and to ease your preparation. Okay, thank you, dear friends. We'll see in the next model paper video. Until then, happy learning. Have a great day. Thank you.